Alright, here we go, Jay. It's getting to be dusk. Some critical lights so you can see the car. 1966 GT Mustang Walkabout. I'm going to do an outside view here so you can see the side of the car and the critical light. Interior lights work. All the cat whiskers have been done in the car. As you can see along the door there, those are new cat whiskers. Original stainless on the drip rail. Got the park lights on, which includes the fog lamps with the switch if you like. It's got the license plate light working there. Turn signals, horn, all that stuff works. Lines up pretty nice. You know, trunk fits pretty good. It's got new seals on the trunk, new door seals as well. The door seals are a little tight, a little hard to close at this point, but they're brand new, so it takes a little while for them to break in.
Mustang Sally, guess you better slow your Mustang down. Oh Lord, what I said now. Mustang Sally now, baby. Oh Lord.
Yeah, it's deceiving because you can see all the reflections there. You might think they're dents and bumps and bad paint, but no, it's just reflections of what they're seeing in the paint. That's what happens when you get it too shiny, right?